No? Are you sure? Because I'm feeling a little groggy. Jenny! 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 Babe, can you just relax? Can you relax a little bit? Can you relax? Just a little bit. Jenny, I've got a new idea. Jenny. I've noticed that my rings give me a scar. Babe, ring scar. I feel like this is Sparta. Babe, I feel like you wouldn't kill us to get some of those things. Babe, can we just cram them? Can we cram them? Some of these pandas in. Can we just cram them? Some of them? These are the glassware of a goddess. I like these blankets. What is it?
Ophelia? Here.
I like the Ophelia. Can I Ophelia in that basket?
Stop.
You don't really accept other people, but I'm very tolerant of things.
Baby, here's exactly what we need.
Are you not? Babe.
Stop. Come on.
Babe, are we gonna go all in on this? All in. Are we gonna go all in on this?